equate evaluating the logic function of an NMOS gate. It is quite simple to determine the logic function of being of it is quite simple to determine the logic function of being implemented by a pseudo NMOS gate, even when the gates are quite complex. To do this, one analyzes the n-channel driver network to determine if it is low impedance, assuming that the widths of the drivers have been chosen large enough. Then whenever the n-channel driver network is a low impedance, the output will be a 0. To determine when the driver network is low impedance, one need to remember that a series connection of sub-networks corresponds to the AND function, whereas a parallel connection corresponds to the OR function. The procedure for determining the logic function is simply 1. Start with any transistor connected to ground and write the name of its input. Let us assume the transistor is Q1 with input X1. Q1 has one or more transistors in parallel with it. Their input should be ORed or with X1. Similarly, if Q1 has large or one if Q1 has one or more transistors in series with it, their input should be ANDed with S1. This procedure should be done separately with all other groups of series or parallel transistors. Each of these groups now represents a subnetwork with its respective logic term. 3. Recursively starting at ground, combine each group of parallel or series subnetworks into larger subnetworks by ORing or ANDing their individual logic terms depending on whether they are in parallel or series respectively. 4. After a single logic term has been found, the component of the logic function being implemented has been found. Although this procedure may sound complicated, with only a little practice it may be applied immediately by inspection, even for quite complicated NMOS gates. Thank you.